Homer was an ancient Greek author and epic poet. He is the reputed author of Iliad and the Odyssey. The two epic poems are the foundational works of ancient Greek literature. He is regarded as one of the greatest and most influential writers of all times. The main idea of the poem Odyssey by Homer, it would be a life's journey that is filled with obstacles. Odysseus has been at war for 10 years and now he has spent 10 years trying to get home. The journey has been long and full of trials, tribulations, and obstacles. Here are the characters of the poem Odyssey. First character is Odysseus. Odysseus is renowned for his intellectual brilliance, cleverness, and versatility, a husband of Penelope and a father of Telemachus. Homer portrayed Odysseus as a man of outstanding wisdom and shrewdness, eloquence, resourcefulness, courage, and endurance. Calypso. Calypso is also very vain, proud, and gracious woman. Calypso's weaknesses is that she is very jealous goddess. She is very jealous whenever Odysseus talks about Penelope, not understanding what he is so special Penelope. She was the queen of Ithaca and also known for her fidelity to her husband Odysseus, despite the attention of several suitors during his absence. Telemachus. He is the son of Odysseus and Penelope. He is central character in Homer's Odyssey. When Telemachus reached manhood, he visited Pylos and Sparta in search for his wandering father. The goddess Athena. He is the Olympian goddess of wisdom and war. She was a key goddess in the story of the Odyssey as a divine assistant to Odysseus on his journey home. The suitors of Penelope. During Odysseus' long absence, unmarried young men started to suspect that Odysseus died in Troy or on the journey home. Under the pretense of courting Penelope, these youth, called the suitors, take up residence in Odysseus' home and vie for her hand in marriage. The sea god Poseidon. Poseidon is his divine antagonist and god of the seas who is infamous for his bad temper, mood swings, and vengeful nature. Ironically, Poseidon is the patron of the seafaring Phaeacians who ultimately helped to return Odysseus to Ithaca. The Phaeacians are a people in Greek mythology who live on the island of Scheria. They're excellent mariners and skilled with all kinds of ocean activities. They are instrumental in Odysseus' return to Ithaca. Phaeacians provided Odysseus a place to rest and then clothing, food, a vessel in which he could sail. Polyphemus, one of the Cyclops, uncivilized one-eyed giants whose island Odysseus came to soon after leaving Troy. Polyphemus imprisons Odysseus and his crew and tries to eat them, but Odysseus blinds him through a clever rush and manages to escape. Circe is an immortal goddess who seeks to prevent Odysseus from returning home. Circe is important because she is the one who tells Odysseus where he must go in order to reach home. Circe was renowned for his vast knowledge of poisons and herbs. Through the use of this and magic wand or staff, she would transform her enemies or those who offended her into animals. The Sirens. A Greek mythology, a creature half bird and half woman. Sirens were creatures from Greek mythology which entice sailors to her destruction with their irresistibly beautiful singing. Scylla is a six-headed monster with sharp teeth and plays on long necks, who lives on one side of narrow channel of water. From her lair in a cave she devoured whenever ventured within reach. including 6 of Odysseus' companions. Charybdis was a dangerous whirlpool that swallowed down and blenched back the ocean water several times a day, causing a danger for many passing ships. She is featured most prominently in Odysseus' journey home, when he and his men passed between her and the monster Scylla to reach the land of the dead. That's all with my report. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.